how's it going? Welcome to our final episode of Sean Nós Jigs. In this episode, we're going to put all our steps over the past few weeks together and we're going to dance our full dance to An Seochainn Sneachta at the end of the episode. If there's any steps that you want to revise or you feel like you need to go through, don't worry, you can always go back, and all our episodes 1 to 4 are available on the Linenhall Facebook page or Instagram. Also remember, we're dancing our steps in this order just for practice purposes while we're dancing together. But when you're dancing on your own or in your own house, feel free to mix them up, to improvise and do whatever steps come in whatever order they come when you're dancing on your own. And a handy way to think about it is a little bit like Lego. So like you can break apart any of the steps into their smaller pieces and stick them back together to create your own patterns and have fun exploring your own steps and ways to create your own jig steps. So we step onto our left leg. We're going to click our right heel off our left heel. And as we do, we bring our left heel up. And then we bring it down and step back onto our right leg. So we have step, click, up, step, click, up, down, step, click, up, down, step, click, up, down, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We try it on our right leg. Step onto our right leg. Click our left heel off our right leg, and when we click our heel, we bring our right heel up. Then we bring it down and step back. Step, click, step. Step, click, heel, back. Step, click, heel, back. Step, click, heel, back. Stepping onto our left leg. Step, click, heel, step. Step, click, heel, step. Step, click, heel, step. Step, click, heel, step. Try right leg. Step, click, heel, step. Step, click, heel, step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, kick your heel. Down, kick your heel. Try right leg. The second part of our step is our skips. So to do our skips, we're going to stand with our weight on our right leg. So all our weight is on our supporting leg, our right leg, and no weight on our left leg. We hop on our right leg, and when we hop, we swing our left leg behind our right leg. So we try that much again. Hop, skip. So hop, skip. 1, 2, 3, hop. Yeah. We now have switched over our weight. When we step our front leg behind, we have switched onto our back leg. And we hop in our left leg and we swing our right leg behind. So it's coming from the front to the back. So hop on our supporting leg, hop, skip. And we try that again on our back leg, hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip, hop, skip. Okay, So we try that a little bit faster. We're standing on our right leg. We're going to hop on our right leg, and then as we're hopping, we'll swing our front leg behind and then put our weight on our front leg, being our left leg. So 1, 2, 3, hop, step, 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 hop, step. And again, we're standing on our right leg. We hop on our right leg, bring our left leg behind, and then put our weight in our left leg. Hop on our left leg this time, swing our right leg behind, and put our weight on our right leg. Hop, step, 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 hop, step. 2, 3, 4, up, skip, skip. We're now going to put those two pieces together, our down kick, our heel, and our two skips. So we step onto our left leg, step, kick, hop, step. And as we've stepped onto our right leg, putting all our weight in our right leg, that's the foot we hop with to skip. So hop, skip, hop, skip. So that much again. Step, kick, hop, step, hop, skip, hop, skip. 1, 2, 3. Step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. 1, 2, 3. Step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. 1, 2, 3. Step, kick your heel. 1, 2, 3. Step, kick your heel. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And one more time. 1, 2, 3. This time we want to go on our right side, but we have our weight on our right leg. So to change over our weight, we need to do a weight change. So we're going to hop onto our left leg and bring our right leg up, switching places. So we go. Okay, so simple change. We're standing on our right leg. We're going to switch places between our right and our left. So that's a little hop or a jump. And now we're free to step onto our right leg. So we go step, kick, hop, back, and we hop on our supporting leg, which is our left leg this time, bringing our right leg behind. Hop, skip, hop, skip. That much again. Step, kick, hop, step, hop, skip, hop, skip. Step, kick your heel, 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 hop, skip, hop, skip. Right. If we put our left leg and our right leg together. So, stepping onto our left leg, step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. And we need to do our weight change. Hop, step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. We need to do our weight change back. Hop, step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. Jump, step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. So we try that again from the start. Step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. Now jump over, bringing your left leg back, bring your right leg forward. Jump, step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip. Jump, step, kick your heel, hop, skip, hop, skip, change step, kick your heel. And a little bit faster. To do that we have down, kick your heel, skip and skip. Now to put all those parts together. So we start with going down our left leg, down, kick your heel, up, skip, we change over onto our right leg, up, down, kick your heel, up, skip. Then we're going to double up and we're going to go on our left leg and straight away onto our right leg without the skips. Up, down, kick your heel, up, down, kick your heel. Then we're going to do 2 skips, up, skip, and on our left leg, down, kick your heel, up, down, kick your heel. So that much again, starting on our left leg, down, kick your heel, up, skip, right leg, up, down, kick your heel, up, skip. Now double it up, down, kick your heel, up, down, kick your heel, and then 2 skips, up, skip, and finish it up, down, kick your heel. Okay, so that's our full pattern. Now we're going to do it on our right leg. So we're going to jump over onto our right leg, up, down, kick your heel, up, skip, left leg, down, kick your heel, up, skip, double it up, down, kick your heel, down, kick your heel, 2 skips, up, skip, down, kick your heel. On our left leg, 1, 2, 3, and down, kick your heel, up, skip, down, kick your heel, up, skip, down, kick your heel, up, down, kick your heel, skip, down, kick your heel. Switching over legs onto our right leg, up, down, kick your heel, skip, down, kick your heel, skip, double, down, kick your heel, down, kick your heel, skip. 2, 3, 4.